On day one, we traveled from the Potrero campground in California through the Tecate Border crossing all the way down to Guadalupe, traveling through some beautiful mountains.
Welcome to Mexico.
Okay guys, we're right behind you, so you're going to go straight towards the McDonald's.
Turn right on Presidente Pascual Ortiz Rubio.
Please stop. Then go. Right?
Yep.
I want to go to Tijuana. Can you hear me?
No.
You go under the Ensenada sign. It is a four-way stop. There's a red light that's flashing. It's a four-way stop. Okay. Wagon Masters are no longer in the city of Tecate. We are going to do a check-in, starting with number one.
Ready.
1, 2. Number 2.
Freeze here.
4 be here. 5 here. 6 here.
Oh, we got the.
Did you see that guy?
Four-way flashers on. We're pulling over to the right. Four-way flashers.
Oh, these flashes are working. See him?
Tighten it up for me.
We would have had to go over to Tijuana. That's
Two
right on the
vehicles
water.
coming towards you. Then it's clear. Passing 7. All clear ahead.
It's like hunting thing.
Tractor trailer has stopped behind us. Number 7.
Go. Go. Police are stopping.
2.
Oh.
You can go and number 7 says it's clear.
Listen.
Tractor trailer is still stopped behind us. When you're in the RV park, you just pick a spot. Tractor trailer is still stopped behind us, clear to go. Great job, number 7.
Arriving at day 1 Valle De Guadalupe on the
So they say
right.
just pick a spot?
Yep.
All right, so we're just all pulling
6,
in.
you're good to go.
Should I go over there? better because we're not too bad. Right?
Something smells good.
That's because we haven't smelled real cooking in a long time.
Yeah. How is it, Joe?
Oh, look, you can just tell by her face.
We use this kind of red oak, but long one, sorry, and two red ones, okay? And for the red.